Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Pentian. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to draw this mushroom. Okay, looks very beautiful and color is so also beautiful. And how to draw today, especially I'm going to use this HB 4B and this paper roll for some branding like this and two of eraser. Okay, let's get started. Okay, first I choose this one. So first make sure some ground area, and I'm going to draw one mushroom here, another second one here, third one in front of the first one here. Okay, first draw some oval, and I'm going to move a little bit on right side like this. Draw some kind of oval. Draw head area. Start from this center, going to be bigger like this. And second one, some curved line here. And third one, you can see this. Okay, move a little bit here. This is the mushroom cap, and this one is the mushroom stem. And next, I want to draw a little bit bigger mushroom cap here, and make sure the mushroom shape. I'm still using a HB pencil, and next draw grills. And also the largest edge of the cap is crooked, so some draw with pencil lines of different strengths. Light is coming from left top of the right side, so the lightest area is right hand of the mushroom. On the left of the mushroom cap area, I'm shading with paper stump now. And let's erase some highlight area on the top of the cap area and give them more depth with a pencil. And now I'm using a side of a pencil, HB pencil, and also use the 4B pencil. Give them shade and draw some grill with a 4B pencil, and brand paper stamp and give more depth. This paper stamp is make very smooth surface on the paper. So now I'm drew some grill down of the mushroom area. In the mushroom stem, there are some of lines middle of the stem area, and there are some kind of spots, something, and we should draw it. I will draw plenty of scales on the cap with HB pencil and erase some spots and define this scale shape. And using HB pencil, give them some depth on the scale area. And I will be back for some detailing after 2 and 3rd mushroom drawn. There are some lines in the stem. Move on to 2nd mushroom. Give them first layer with HB pencil and give more shade with paper stamp. I will do some directions and techniques as I draw a first one. Erase some scale area and highlight area, and make sure some scales shape with HB pencil. Move on to 3rd mushroom. We're gonna use the same direction as 1st and 2nd one. Erase highlight area with rubber eraser. Make sure the scale size and shape. Give them more depth, stem and scale, and some give them more lines. Okay, we're gonna have to draw some bushes and grasses on the ground. So I will to get a more natural three-dimensional look. So blending ground with a paper stamp and define the shape, and draw some grasses and bushes on the ground with the pencil. Use a 4B pencil. Okay, we are all done this one. I hope you had a happy time with adorable mushroom drawing, and I'm looking forward to seeing you all next video. We are going to paint this in watercolor, okay? And don't forget subscribe and hit the like button, and see you next time. Bye.